Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best RC helicopters for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a gift for someone new to the hobby, these options offer the perfect mix of fun, durability, and ease of use. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Cheerwing S107/107G Phantom. This compact RC helicopter is designed for beginners with an emphasis on simplicity and affordability. It features a 3.5-channel control system, which allows for smooth movement in all directions, and comes equipped with an upgraded gyro system for improved stability. With 2 selectable frequencies, you can even fly it alongside another helicopter without interference. Plus, its colorful flashing lights make it a fun choice for low light conditions. In terms of design, the Cheerwing Phantom is small but powerful, with a lightweight build that's ideal for indoor use. The construction is sturdy enough to handle minor crashes, which is a must for beginners. However, due to its size, outdoor use is limited to windless conditions. The controls are straightforward, making it a great pick for kids aged 14 and up, or adults who are new to RC flying. While it doesn't offer advanced features like altitude hold or obstacle avoidance, it provides excellent value for its price point. The Cheerwing S107/107G is perfect for those who want a simple and fun way to dive into the world of RC helicopters without breaking the bank. Pros include its affordability, easy controls, and durability for indoor flying. On the downside, its lack of advanced features and limited outdoor capability may leave more experienced users wanting more. Coming in at number 4 is the Syma S52H Military Transport RC Helicopter. This is a fantastic choice for military enthusiasts and beginners alike. The helicopter features a detailed camouflage design and twin rotors that look and feel like a real military transport aircraft. It's packed with beginner-friendly features like one-key takeoff and landing, as well as altitude hold, which makes hovering and maneuvering incredibly easy. The design is both functional and durable, with safety features like an auto shutoff system that prevents motor damage if the blades get jammed. Additionally, the low battery indicator ensures you always know when it's time to land. The S52H is lightweight and works best indoors or in calm outdoor conditions. It's an excellent STEM learning tool, sparking curiosity about aerodynamics and military technology in younger users. While it offers a lot of value, the S52H's smaller size and lightweight build make it less suited for outdoor use in breezy conditions. It's perfect for kids aged 8 and older, and with its realistic design, it's a hit among military fans. Pros include its military-themed design, altitude hold, and safety features. The cons are its limited outdoor capability and slightly lower flight time compared to others on this list. At number 3, we have the Simrex RC Helicopter. This model is all about extended playtime and versatility, making it a great choice for beginners who want a little extra flying time. With 20 minutes of flight time, thanks to its 2 rechargeable batteries, it offers more time in the air compared to most entry-level RC helicopters. Features like one-key takeoff landing and altitude hold make it incredibly user-friendly, even for those completely new to RC flying. The Simrex stands out with its advanced 6-axis gyro and air pressure sensors, which provide excellent stability and precise control. The dual-speed modes allow you to adjust the helicopter's responsiveness based on your skill level. However, it's worth noting that this helicopter is primarily designed for indoor use, or outdoor use in windless conditions. Its lightweight build may struggle in breezy environments. Overall, the Simrex RC Helicopter is a solid choice for kids and beginners who want a long-lasting and easy-to-control RC toy. It's perfect for family bonding or solo practice. Pros include its long flight time, advanced stabilization features, and easy-to-use controls. The downside is its limited suitability for outdoor use and slightly higher price compared to simpler models. Coming in at number 2 is the Syma S107HE RC Helicopter. This is one of the most durable and beginner-friendly options on this list. Made with a sturdy alloy design, it's built to withstand crashes, making it ideal for kids and first-time pilots. Features like one-key takeoff and landing, high and low speed modes, and LED light effects make it both fun and functional. The S107HE performs well indoors and in calm outdoor conditions, offering smooth control and stable hovering. The dual speed modes allow flyers to adjust the helicopter's responsiveness based on their skill level, which is great for those looking to improve over time. The LED lights not only make night flights more fun, but also serve as a handy low battery warning system. This helicopter is perfect for anyone who wants a durable and easy-to-use RC toy. It's especially suited for kids aged 8 and up, as well as adults who want to try their hand at flying. Pros include its crash-resistant build, user-friendly controls, and entertaining LED features. However, it's slightly heavier than other models, which might limit its agility in tight indoor spaces. Finally, at number 1, we have the Syma RC helicopter with 40 minutes of flight time. This model is the ultimate choice for beginners and kids, offering an unparalleled combination of entertainment, ease of use, and advanced features. With 2 modular batteries, you get twice the flight time compared to most other models, and the included 1-to-2 USB charger minimizes downtime. What sets this helicopter apart is its advanced obstacle avoidance system, which uses infrared sensors to detect and avoid obstacles automatically. This makes it incredibly safe and beginner-friendly. The altitude hold and one-key takeoff/landing features make hovering and maneuvering a breeze, while the bright LED lights with 7 color options add a touch of flair for night flights. It even comes with an auto demo mode for performing stunts effortlessly. This helicopter is perfect for kids aged 8 to 12, as well as adults who want a high-quality, no-stress flying experience. It's great for both indoor use and calm outdoor conditions. Pros include its long flight time, obstacle avoidance, and vibrant LED lights. The only real downside is its slightly higher price, but the features and quality more than justify the investment. This is hands down the best RC helicopter for beginners in 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.